GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. In a previous episode, we showed you how to recycle your unused ink into an almost black. What we're going to do today, we're going to put some in the screen, we're going to go ahead and do some prints with it, and you'll be able to tell that it is almost black. So it's a good way to save a little money, get some of that old ink off the shelves, and put it to new use. Well, we've already loaded our almost black into the screen. You can tell a little bit, it kind of has a navy hue to it, but when we print it through this detailed line artwork, it's going to appear to be a perfect black. Now that we went ahead and printed our line artwork with our almost black, we're going to do another print that has some tonal value to it, so you can see how even on the solid areas, it still appears to be black. There you have it, our old ink inventory recycled into an almost black, really nice line print with it. And you can also get some really good tonal value and also some really nice solid areas. Like we said, it's almost black, but it's going to save you some money and cut down on your ink inventory. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit gogsg.com, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.